What's the meaning of called? Called. Called.
Called. Called. The word called is often used to introduce or specify the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. It can also be used as a verb to describe the act of calling someone or something by a particular name. Essentially, when we use the word called, we are referring to a specific label or identifier that we have assigned to something or someone. This label helps us communicate more effectively, as we can easily refer to the thing or person in question without repeating a lengthy description. Overall, the word called is an essential part of language that allows us to identify and communicate about the world around us.